Beautiful. So I'm first going to start talking about Vanbex and then Etherparty, our very first product that we created. So Vanbex is started in 2013. We started in Canada. We're from Vancouver, the beautiful, beautiful Vancouver. I don't know if you've ever been. Yes, we say sorry a lot. We like maple syrup, and we also love blockchain. We are aiming to make it a hub over there. We started as a strategic communications company back in 2013. Actually, it was named after the Vancouver Bitcoin Exchange by Lisa Cheng, our founder. And then we decided to evolve, just like all the other companies that are out there, into more solutions. So what is our mission? It's quite simple, actually. Our mission is to further the education and adoption of blockchain, and ultimately with smart contracts now. We see blockchain as being a revolution technology. We're still in the early ages. There's a lot to do. There's a lot of other applications that needs to be created, and we want to be in the forefront of it. So Vanbex itself is the business behind blockchain. We evolved into a full end-to-end company. We do anything from grassroots marketing to strategy, documentation. We raise funds for other ICOs, and we build different blockchain technology and applications. We've worked with over 50 projects so far. The first one being when Lisa Cheng worked with Mastercoin, the very first ICO in 2013. And we have a very good growing base of clients. We're very happy about that, and the traction is doing really well. Now, while working with clients and in the blockchain industry in general, we've noticed a simple problem. Just a show of hands, please. Who has actually written a smart contract before? Anyone? I see not even a single. Okay, that's right. Maybe one of you guys has written a smart contract, but in general, no one has, because there's a big gap in terms of, there's a big learning curve. It's not as easy. Who can write a smart contract right now? It's a developer. A developer that knows Solidity. Solidity is not hard, but you need to know the nitty-gritty details and the possible security vulnerabilities that are in there. So when we decided to create Etherparty, it was back in 2015, we just wanted to bring smart contracts to everyone. So essentially, we believe that a smart contract, it does not mean that you need a developer that knows exactly what he's doing. There's not that many smart contract devs out there. It should be as easy as filling out a form or doing a nice and drag and drop. So we want to take all this code. This is a simple bid code, like nothing very special, and we want to answer all these questions. We love it. We want to educate as many people as possible in the matter. Now, one thing that is very important in smart contracts in general is the security of them. And we make sure that every single smart contract that we have gets audited. We do automated and manual testing, and we make sure that whatever is deployed is nice and safe. Now, also, one thing, and this is not an if, but when there's a problem, let's say with a Solidity compiler or with the Solidity language itself, we make sure that when you're going through our platform, we'll instruct to you exactly what's happening if there's a problem and help mitigate it. Now this hits home because on Sunday, we actually released our ICO. And I think 3 hours into ICO, we fell victim of an attack. We had our address that was changed on our website. We found it within 15 minutes, we closed out the whole site. Within 45 minutes, we had a brand new site that started, and then sadly, the damage was done. Some of the Ether actually went to a fraudulent address. Now, we were quick, and this is our way of doing. We will be refunding all those people that have sent Ether to this fraudulent address, but just to show that, sadly, it happens to us. We are extremely, extremely saddened by this, but we will keep going. So essentially, we're taking all of this and bringing it to a very small, easy UI to use. This is our UI right here. This is what we're going to be showing really soon on our beta release. Nice and simple. Click on it, and then here's the sample ERC20 token that you can do. Right now in our beta launch, we have 4 different contracts that you can have: a sports betting contract, escrow, ERC20, and a nice crowdfund contract. So as I said, we're going to have different libraries, and we're building more. We're also looking a lot of feedback from users of exactly what they want and what kind of contracts. We've had a lot of feedback already from our community, and we want to make sure that we're very community-oriented in this one. So this project, as I said, was started in 2015. Actually started with the language called Scratch, like that Google created. It was okay, it worked, but it was still too complex. It wasn't user-friendly, and we decided that we're going to nix it. Now we're on to our V2. We want to make it easy, make a nice UI, and make it possible for anyone. Also, we're adding a new feature. We're adding an enterprise API. That enterprise API, any other company will be able to integrate with them. We integrate with them. They don't integrate with us. And we'll be offloading some of the business processes over to our side. Etherparty, and we mean this, is for everyone. We want this to be used from friend to friend, from friend to family, from B2C, from C2C. Whatever it is, we want to do this. We want it to be used by anyone and being very easy. Now, why now? I mean, this is just like the internet before the browser came about, when it was the DARPANET and you had to be a developer. Or this is before Wix came out for the websites to make an easy HTML website. We want to be the Wix for the websites. We want to be the browser for the internet. We want to be Etherparty for the smart contracts. That's what we aim for. So how our platform is powered by this token called Fuel. Fuel lets us abstract away the different blockchains that we have in the back. Right now, we're working on Ethereum on our beta, but we're also planning to integrate with Rootstock when it gets ready. And a user, all they have to do is hold Fuel, and they don't need to hold Ether or Bitcoin or Rootstock when it comes out. They can hold just Fuel. So right now, our Fuel token sale is going on right now. We've sold over 438 million of them, and it's going on till the end of October. With this, I thank you very much.